Today we're replacing the water softener filter in your DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, and we'll do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa. Now let's get to it. So there's about 5 or 6 of these Magnifica models running around. The water filter replacement is going to be the same across all the models. The only issue you're going to be running into is the button interface. Each machine has a different layout, so just be aware of that. First, we'll remove the water tank. With the tank out, remove the top. Then take out your filter. Next, we'll take our new filter. We'll set our date 2 months out. Next, we'll fill our filter with water. We'll continue to fill it with water for at least a minute. Before we insert the filter, we need to completely fill your water tank to the max. Next, take your filter and submerge it in the tank upside down to purge any air remaining in the filter. Once the air is purged, install your filter until it's fully seated. Reinstall the top. Now we can reinstall the water tank. Once the tank is in, install your hot water spout. From here, grab a large container, something that's preferably over ½ liter, and place it under your spouts. Once placed, turn on your Magnifica. Your machine will run through its cycle and spit out some water. Once it's fully on, it'll either display the scale symbol or your water filter symbol. Before we go into the settings, move your cup over. From here, with our specific model, we'll hold the settings button for a few seconds. Your clean button will light up blue. We'll hit it once. According to the manual, we need to press one of the bean buttons. I don't think it's really necessary. Just hit your clean button once. Your water filter symbol will appear, and your button will start blinking rapidly. Once it starts blinking rapidly, ensure your cup is underneath the hot water spout and simply hit the button again, and it'll start flushing the filter. Once it's done, all of your lights will begin blinking. All you need to do from here is simply turn your machine off. Once everything is off, you have finished this procedure. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out and that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.